Welcome Internet, I'm Beanaroo, here with my first video on how I do crazy makeup. I hope you all enjoy it.
Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent.
First, I'm going in with an eye primer. Taking a clean finger, I dab it across my lids and up to the bottom of my brow bone because I use my entire eyelids. This ensures the shadow stays longer.
Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got your world upside down.
Now I am going in with the Mini Controversy palette by Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. I'm going in with the color Cry on My Couch with just a generic floofy brush to put the color just all over my lids. Now I'm taking a flat packing brush and wetting it. I am dipping into the color My Apology, and on my right eye, I am placing it just on the lid.
Thrill the heaven sent. I got your world upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got your world upside down.
Now onto the left eye. I'm using the same brush, cleaning it in between each color because I don't want to contaminate each color I'm dipping into. The color I'm using on the left is called The Simulation. This also just sits on the lid just like the red color does. Next I'm going in with the Blue Blood palette. The color I'm using is Celebrity Skin. I am using this color as a transition color and also to blend out the harsh lines between the red and the blue on my creases. The brush I am using is just a fluffy blending brush.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
The next color I'm going in with is my all-time favorite color, black. This comes from a palette I just bought off of Amazon called Ace VV. I am putting this in my crease and I am blending it out almost to my brow. The brush I am using is an angled brush to get the initial shape, then I blend it out with the same brush I used for the transition color.
I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you, with you.
Won't you take me 'cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go.
Here I'm just cleaning up some fallout that happened under my eye. Here I'm taking the colors from my lids and just dragging them underneath of my eyes. Now I'm going in with Essence Waterproof Eye Pencil and lining my waterline. Then I take it and put a small guideline over my lids. Then I go in with NYX Liquid Liner over top, making the line slightly bigger and more dramatic. Then I wing it out at the end.
'Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
Now I'm taking a makeup wipe and cleaning any fallout that happened underneath of my eyes.
I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time.
For the lipstick, I am going to be using on my left side Jeffree Star's Liquid Lip shade Poinsettia. And for my right side of my lips, I will be using Jeffree Star's Mini Liquid Lip shade Titanic.
But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you. With you. I am committed 'cause I know it's you I want. Hope I never see you go home. Oh, come along. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna have you one more night. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time.
Here is the final red and blue opposite look. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Be sure to sub and leave some positivity down below. Bye!